Wait, what episode is this? I think it's, like 11 whatever. I think it's like 11 or 12 or something like that. Anyway, right now I'm in this factory. It's very... Wait a second. Spark? Tree means spark plus tree is... This is a sparky tree! Ah, I'm bloody! Ow! That didn't feel too good.
Sugar Panther! Alright, I'm gonna go eat some nice tender bacon. I've never had bacon
Speaking
before.
of tender, I feel like that other one meat. Look, come see the next episode and I'll be raveled in bacon.